A lot has been done in the past years under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. Naturally, he's a patriot of his country. Prime Minister Modi is one of those people in the world who is capable of conducting an independent foreign policy in the interests of its nation.
At the Valdai Conference in Moscow, President Putin spoke yesterday, and he paid wholesome praise to Prime Minister Modi for his leadership of India, for his vision of the development of India through the Make in India program, which he said made eminent economic and spiritual sense. But he also praised India's independent foreign policy under Prime Minister Modi's leadership in this very complex international situation arising from the Ukraine conflict. No other leader was praised as much as Prime Minister Modi here at the Valdai Conference.
We have what he said, there is nothing wrong with that. He has only stated the factual position. In that, we have a long-standing relationship. We have an important relationship. Russia has been a good friend. Prime Minister Modi and President Putin enjoy a good personal relationship. So that is fine. And I don't see any difficulty with any of the comments made by him. We have been supportive of each other. And at the same time, we are close friends. We are strategic partners. We are not allies. So when he talks of independence of foreign policy, that is very true. Independence also means that when even a close friend does something which we are not comfortable with, we gently and politely and respectfully point it out.
India's relations with Russia from long time back have been so perfect. There have been no occasion when there are disagreement. Some minor issues may come up about supply of arms, etc., to Pakistan or wherever, but basically there is a perfect understanding. I'm not going to use any jargon, but we have perfect understanding. Russia has come to our assistance and at very crucial moments in our existence, both in terms of politically and also on ground. So India's stand, therefore, on the current crisis in Ukraine is very balanced. It is absolutely something which we will not deviate from, keeping in view our past background.